In Botswana, a wedding is a vibrant celebration that unites not just two people, but entire families and communities. It's a public declaration, where the whole village often joins in, sharing in preparations and festivities. Elders guide the couple, offering wisdom and blessings, making the event a powerful symbol of unity and shared identity. Every ritual, from negotiations to the final feast, weaves the couple into the fabric of society. These customs aren't just formalities, they honor ancestors and teach responsibility, respect, and the importance of family. The sounds of ululating women and traditional dance fill the air, turning the wedding into a spectacle of joy. Through music, food, and clothing, the celebration becomes a living expression of heritage. A Motswana wedding is more than a ceremony. It's a testament to the strength and adaptability of our traditions. It's a joyful affirmation of who we are, ensuring our culture thrives for generations. The journey to a Motswana wedding begins with Patlo, the seeking when the groom's family formally approaches the bride's family. This is a respectful negotiation, led by elders that signals serious intent and deep respect. Once accepted, the lobola negotiations begin, a symbolic gesture of gratitude, traditionally paid in cattle. Lobola isn't just a payment, it's a powerful symbol of commitment and the joining of two families. The number of cattle is carefully negotiated, solidifying the new relationship. Elders use proverbs and wisdom to guide the talks, ensuring mutual respect and understanding. The delivery of lobola cattle is a celebration marking the formal union of the families. After lobola, the couple is officially engaged and wedding preparations begin. This process ensures the marriage is built on respect, family approval, and cultural integrity. From Patlo to lobola, every step prepares the couple for a life blessed by tradition and community. The wedding day, or lenyalo, bursts with color, music, and food. The bride and groom wear matching latesi, a vibrant fabric that showcases cultural pride. Guests join in, turning the celebration into a sea of color and pattern. Traditional songs, clapping, and joyful ululations fill the air, inviting everyone to dance and celebrate. The community's participation through music and dance showers the couple with blessings. Food is central, a cow is often slaughtered, and dishes like seswa and bogobe are shared. Preparing the feast is a communal effort, symbolizing unity and generosity. Gift-giving is open and practical, with items to help the couple start their new home. The bride's family presents her with falo, gifts for her new life. These acts show the couple they are supported by a loving community. The wedding feast and festivities are a beautiful expression of communal care. Every custom in a Motswana wedding carries deep meaning, teaching respect, responsibility, and unity. The involvement of elders as negotiators highlights the seriousness of marriage and the importance of family hierarchy. Lobola is not about buying a wife, but about honoring the bond between families and the value of the bride. The exchange of cattle symbolizes commitment, gratitude, and a lasting alliance. Traditional attire, especially matching latesi, is a statement of unity and cultural pride. The sea of colorful clothing visually represents community support and shared joy. Even the food, especially the slaughtering of a cow, symbolizes generosity and the willingness to provide for the community. Sharing a meal brings everyone together, reinforcing the idea of one people. These rituals nourish both body and spirit, strengthening social bonds. A Motswana wedding is a living gallery of heritage, belonging, and collective identity. Traditional weddings remain a cornerstone of Botswana, preserving our heritage and connecting generations. These celebrations bridge past and present, providing stability in a changing world. The process, from Patlo to the final feast, requires cooperation, building new relationships and reinforcing old ones. Weddings create a powerful support system for the couple, surrounded by caring family and community. They are also a classroom, where young people learn customs firsthand from elders. Through participation, cultural knowledge is passed on in a living, dynamic way. A Motswana wedding is more than a union of two people. It reaffirms our collective identity and strengthens society. These traditions ensure the spirit of Botho, our shared humanity, continues to guide us into the future.